morning everyone, and welcome to my first ever video for my YouTube channel. Today you'll be joining me on my club water, the Fendrod. I got your early doors this morning, super early alarm here for first light, and I've dropped into a favoured peg of mine, so fingers crossed we can make something happen. That said, I've got all day, so if it's not going as I planned this morning, we can always move out and head to another peg. I've got one rod out at the minute. There's no real need for two in here, to be quite honest. It's on a solid bag down in the channel against the far margin. So sit back now and hopefully we'll see some signs and maybe get a fish in the bank field. I'll keep you updated each way. Well, we've had the mover swim. Nothing to report down there, to be honest. It was a lot quieter than I thought it might be. Usually, like, the fish will show within the first sort of hour of you being there, but nothing, absolutely nothing. So I've chucked everything on the barrow and I've come around the other end of the lake. So I've got the rods out. I've had a couple of liners already, to be fair, so hopefully the fish are holding up here, and cross fingers we can get something for the camera this time. Well, we finally got one. Only a stocky this one, but beats a blank all day. Get the rod back out, try for a bigger one. Well, that's the rod back out and the fish back safely, so happy days. Beats the blank, chuff. Hopefully we'll manage something a bit bigger today, but doesn't really matter now, to be fair. While I'm here, I thought I'd show you the rig I use to catch the carp. So basically it's just a mini Ronnie with a supple hook link. So I use the dark matter hook link, nice and short, quick change. It's ideal for what I use, and I always fish drop off as well. I say always, 9 times out of 10 I'm fishing somewhere that can be a bit snaggy, so I tend to just drop the lead anyways, just get them up out the snags and what have you. But yeah, mainline fruity squid wafter doing it again, ideal. Another lovely stocky mirror. I've not long lost one, so it was nice to get this one in the net. Lovely fish too. Two now, not very big ones, but take it each way. Well, that's today's session drawn to a close and ended well really. Chuffed I moved. 2 fish landed, 1 lost. So happy days. Both caught on solid bags with the fruity squid wafter inside. And yeah, that's me done for the day. Happy days. If you have watched the video and you like what you've seen, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button also. Thank you.